Insta360 unveils X5, the smartest, toughest 360 camera. At Insta360 has launched the X5, its new flagship 360 camera, boasting top-tier image quality, rugged durability, and AI-powered ease of use, next-level image quality. The X5 features dual 1.28 sensors, 144% larger than its predecessor, and a powerful triple AI chip system that supports 8K 30 FPS 360 video. Thanks to advanced AI noise reduction and super sampling, footage remains crisp, even in low light. A new Pura Video mode ensures clear nighttime videos, while active HDR has been upgraded to 5.7K 60 FPS for smoother, high-contrast captures, built for adventure. The X5 is Insta360's toughest camera to date. It sports scratch-resistant lenses made from ultra-durable glass and introduces the industry's first replaceable lens system, allowing users to swap out damaged lenses on the go. Additional hardware upgrades include IP68 waterproofing to 49 feet 15 meters, 3-hour battery life with fast charging 0 to 80% in 20 mins, WineGuard system for clearer audio, magnetic mounting for fast accessory swap, smarter shooting experience. Insta360 simplifies 360 creation with the new InstaFrame mode, which records a share-ready flat video and a full 360 version simultaneously. Choose from fixed or selfie views, perfect for creators who want to share quickly without losing flexibility for future edits, effortless editing and sharing. The Insta360 app has been redesigned with a sleeker interface and powerful features like DoArp, Quick Edit, and AI Edit. It also supports Insta360 Plus, a cloud service for backup, editing, and instant sharing. Insta360 Studio, the free desktop software, provides pro-level export options, ready for any creator. Whether you're a solo traveler, action sports enthusiast, or casual user, the X5 is designed to capture every angle effortlessly. Features like flow state stabilization, 360 horizon lock, voice and gesture control, and twist to shoot make it easier than ever to get stunning shots in any scenario. Availability and launch event: the Insta360 X5 is available starting April 22, 2025 at $549.99 via the Insta360 official store, Amazon, and select retailers. Fans can also experience the camera firsthand at a pop-up event in NYC's Grand Central Terminal from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on launch day. Insta360 X5 is more than just a camera, it's a smart, rugged, and intuitive tool for creators who want to capture life's biggest adventures without compromise.